Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love to shop luxe, welcome. My name is Joanne and please do follow me on Instagram at shoplux. I will be linking it down here in the description box as well as here for you. So for today's video, I am very excited to show you a YSL beauty unboxing and also a Chanel lipstick unboxing right here. I don't really put too much makeup. I only put the basics like the powder, eyeliner, my eyebrows, and lipstick, and sometimes I put blush. But with lipstick, that's what I splurge on. I really love the brand Chanel, and the reason why I collect lipstick is because every time I go out, it's something that I always retouch. I always carry around my lipstick and I can't really go out without it. So lately I've been looking for presents for families and friends because Christmas is coming, and I was looking online and I saw the YSL Beauty lip products and I thought that I would give it a try and take a look at it and see if I would like to buy more for my friends and family. So I got this box in the mail and let's open it. And I got this from Nordstrom online. And here is the YSL Beauty. And they also sent the receipt and also the return label. And it also says here the items that are included because they also gave me some samples. And these are the samples that I got. Oh, they are actually packaged separately. I got 3 samples here. The first one is, let's open. Oh, here. This is the Hydra Beauty Micro Cream. I really want to try this. My face usually gets dry, so I want to try it. Hopefully it works for my skin because I really have very sensitive skin. And here's another sample. Let's open it. The Jo Malone Lime Basil and Mandarin Cologne. This one. Jo Malone is my favorite cologne. I forgot the scent, but I will see if I could include it here too. It's like my signature scent. If I finish one bottle, I just keep buying another one in the same scent. It smells really good. It smells fresh. I like it, but I like my scent better than this one, actually. This is my favorite scent from Jo Malone. It's a Nectarine Blossom and Honey. And here is another one, the last of the samples that was sent to me. And here is the Shiseido. Oh my gosh, my eyes are so bad. Shiseido Power Infusing Concentrate. I don't know what it is, but here, go. There. It's probably a serum, so I'm gonna try it out. Okay, this is the YSL Beauty set that I got from Nordstrom online. And I am very excited about actually it looks like this. There. Yves Saint Laurent. And, let's see. Oops. When I first saw this online, I really loved the red pouch that comes with it. I feel like I need another catch-all for my bag. And it really looks nice. It has the YSL Beauty. It has the YSL logo in gold metal. And also this zipper has a YSL logo on it. This is in gold hardware. And there's like an animal print on the leather. This is a really nice catch-all. So let's open it and look inside. Oh, thank you, Anna. And there's a tag inside that says Yves Saint Laurent Beauty. Okay, let's put this on here for now. Oh, these are mini lipsticks. I really like mini lipsticks because if you have a small handbag, you can just bring this inside. Oh, this is a really pretty color. Like bright red color. This is N1. Okay, let's leave it open so we can compare the colors. And this is, the number is 70. It's kind of like mauve or nude. It's so nice. I like the colors. And the last one is in number, what's this? 52. It's like coral. Let's try the colors. Oh, they're very pretty. The one is the coral. It's really pigmented and creamy, actually. And this one. Beautiful. Beautiful colors. The scent is like rose. It smells really good. Next one is this Chanel lipstick. Next one is the Rouge Coco Flash Chanel lipstick. Let's open it. And this is in 446 Etienne. I really love the color. It's like maroon. So it's like red, brown, and it's not so bright, not flashy. I really love it. I love this color. I have Chanel lipsticks, which I use when I go for parties or for special occasions. And usually my kids are the ones using it for dress up, like this one. They use it for dress up, they put on makeup, and they use my lipsticks as well. And I just let them because I know I can't finish this whole lipstick. So this is the new one. There. And here's another one. Here's another lipstick. This is L'Essential. I think that's the color. And here's another one in 438 Suzanne. I don't know how you pronounce it. And this is like mauve color. The Chanel lipsticks have, they usually have like the Chanel writing on the lipstick. Let's see. I think I have it here too, on this side. I have it there. See? It says Chanel. And here's another, I think I have another one. Let me see. Oh, no more. No more. Yeah. I think I have more Chanel lipsticks, but now that I have the YSL, I'm so excited to have a new brand and a new lipstick in my collection. So if you guys are interested in giving this as presents, this YSL Beauty set is $40 plus tax, and you can get it from Neiman Marcus or Nordstrom. And you can also use this pouch as a catch-all. I have my mask. I have my mirror. I have my little clipper, nail clipper, and my hair tie, floss. I have a Jo Malone spray, and a lip balm, my hand cream. This is my favorite from L'Occitane. I don't know how to pronounce, but I really love this hand cream. And then my hand sanitizer and a pen. Let's see if it can fit. No, it's okay. I'm not gonna put the pen inside. And of course, lipstick. See, it could fit a lot inside. It's really a good catch-all, and it's really pretty. For $40, this is really a good present for families and friends. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye.